catalog items is very huge one, and if you see my company, we have around 1500 catalog items. Okay, so we may create few, we may change few, we may retire few, whatever it is. So half of our work, like I can say maybe 40% of our work will be from this way. If we release 10 stories for a release, maybe minimum 4 will be from catalogs. Okay, so this is such an important topic, and especially as we are all going with 2 years, 3 years experience. If you can tell, okay, I built 50 catalog items throughout my 2 years, and then if you are able to answer properly, like what is catalog item, what is workflow activities, types of catalog, there are some standard questions also. If you are able to clearly tell them, then you will get a nice impression. You can directly tell, like I was there in a support project where I myself created around 100 catalog items, and we also get more modification requests. So I know each and everything about catalogs, workflows, types of catalog, everything. Okay, maybe the other part, if you feel difficult, okay, this will save you if you are able to answer properly. Okay, if you don't prepare that, if you don't prepare this, then we are very much good. Okay, it will take some time to get calls. Calls means offers. Okay, so catalog item. So anyone knows what is a catalog item? Chaitali, what is catalog item?
Mm, means catalog item is a type of form basically we use to submit any request.
Right, right. So it's form. So generally in real time, what is catalog? Forget about service now. Generally, where are the places we see in a word called catalog?
List, list type, sir.
Yeah, it's a menu.
In hotels,
Hotels, yeah. In hotels, it's
cards, yeah.
catalog means menu. Yes, very right. And where other places? Maybe if you go to jewelry shop, maybe they will give you some samples. That is also a catalog, kind of a book. If you go to paint shop, they will give you a catalog of a big
I
book.
will
Yeah, and clothes, okay, garments, okay. Everywhere, catalog means a model that they will give you, and you can use that model to know about the product. Okay, maybe it's a kind of interface where you can take that, right? So whatever you are seeing, like if you go to Amazon site and then say, okay, laptop, okay, just go to Amazon site. Okay, so just type a laptop here. Okay, maybe I want to buy a laptop. Okay, Intel Core i3. Okay, I want to buy it i3 processor, maybe 10th generation. Right? All the items that you are seeing here are not the real items, but they are catalogs. It is just only giving you the details. It is not the exact item you select. It is just a information page. Everyone agree? If I click it, and then if you go deeper and then order, then it will make an order. Still, you are not clicking directly on a laptop, you are just seeing the image and interface. So the catalog means the information that you see for a real product. If you apply this definition everywhere, it is same. If you go to a cloth shop, if you go to gold shop, if you go to paint shop, okay, and whatever the examples that we just heard, everywhere the catalog is just a information page. Doesn't mean like you are directly seeing the actual product, right? And also this page will allow you to request something, right? As someone told here, a form helps to submit a request. Okay, request or order or issue, anything ma. Okay, anything, it gives you as an interface. Okay, maybe here it is only shopping related. Okay, but in IT service, when you see a service, all these things will come. This is fine. The definition of catalog is fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So now in IT service provider or IT sector, how many ways a request, a order or a issue can be raised? Not only in IT, maybe in general also. Just nowadays everything is same. So suppose I want something, I have some issue. Okay, want something. Okay, means it could be a request. Okay, or have an issue. This is a issue, means incident. Something. I am just giving technical definitions also. Okay, in order to relate easily. Right. Now, as a customer, okay, whatever you are using your products as a customer, if you want something, okay, for the product that you are using, or if you have an issue for the product that you are using, either case, what you do? This is the question. So you brought a laptop. Okay, the laptop got an issue. So what you do?
Calling to customer care through emails.
Yes, first thing. Second thing,
Creating
yeah,
We'll
second,
create ticket.
right, and
in high portal creating the tickets.
this is same, high portal also same, service portal or high portal, okay. Last option is chatbot. All these three are general options, okay. Nowadays, as artificial intelligence is coming everywhere, okay, AI, chatbot also came into picture. What does chatbot? Everyone knows. Chatbot.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, you don't know. Good man. So fine. Anyone doesn't know? Anyone knows what is chatbot? Maybe I show. If I show, maybe you all will be knowing it. Okay, let's see it. Okay,
We'll be chatting with the representative over there.
right. So chatbot is nothing but, okay. See, I'm just opening a site here, the interview site that I use. Okay. So when I'm logging, okay, this there is a chart window is coming. Now if you see this window, everywhere it is there. If you log into ICICI Bank, Ask Eva will come, HDFC Bank, and even Amazon and all. If you log in, there also you have chart. So they see, they will analyze when you are running a process. They will always analyze. Okay, maybe first year you run with 10 people, and then 10 people are not required. Why? We are unnecessarily paying for 10 people. So they will see where are the places we can cut. Okay, out of 10 people, the chatbot came. Okay, chatbot can replace 2 people. Then they will take chatbot, they will send off these 2 people. Okay, so and then they will see. So wherever they can save money, that's what we will call it as, okay, companies will lay out, right, something. So they will reduce. So after coming this AI chatbot and all, na, like artificial intelligence and all, half of, not half, maybe 30% of the human work will be done by bots only. So that means 30% of human jobs are gone. Okay, now it is becoming advanced everywhere. It is like automation. Okay, so we need to be prepared with that trend also. That is also one thing when we are entering into AI. But that is not the concept here. The concept is, These are the channels that where we can raise a request. Okay, so calling a customer care, fine. Report via email is also fine. You can send a mail to ServiceNow. ServiceNow will read the email and then create an incident. There is a concept called inbound email action. Okay, you can use that inbound email action option to use this particular option. Okay, and then create ticket directly to the vendor site. This is where the catalog items will come. Okay, whatever you see in Amazon page, in ServiceNow also we have the same kind of catalog page. Okay, so you can display all your items. Okay, you can display all your items, okay, like this. So let's see here. Let's say how can I help you? This is more like help related. Okay, services. Okay, if you see services, just first of all start with hardware. Hardware, where are desktop? Okay, so just start with this one. Okay, so if you see software, software means application. What application? I want to install Access. Okay, then I can rise from here. This is a form. So if I click this form, it will ask you some details. Okay, so same like how you are seeing an Amazon page, the same here also will be there. You can order it. Okay, so for this customer there would be a ticket created. Okay, so similarly for everything you can create a catalog item for installation, for application. Okay, maybe if you want to access a desktop, you want a new laptop or you want a new desktop. Okay, maybe you can rise from here. See here there are few items. Okay, they are not laptops and all, but monitor, external monitor, iPod. Okay, LCD monitor, Samsung. So if you see whatever these are all the catalog items. Okay, so these are all out of the box. In real time we won't be having this one. We will be having catalog items as per our customer services. Okay, giving access to this application, giving permissions to this application. Okay, software installation request, hardware installation request. Okay, adding users to group, adding users to role, creating a new group, retiring a group. Okay, for all of these we will be having. Okay, for all of these it will tell you something about the service. Okay, so this is where the basic definition catalog items will come. The catalog item is nothing but a form. Okay, and the user can submit a request or an order or an issue using the form. Okay, now see, come back. See, there are few items. Maybe we can see these and all configured. They are all peripherals, but let's say services. Okay, or how can I help you? If I say how can I help you? Okay, changing a password. I want to change my password in ServiceNow or some application. Okay, or maybe if you see creating an incident. Okay, so see, I will tell you one important thing here. I am opening this form. Okay, and the form opened here. Okay, and I can just say something here and then say issue with my laptop. Okay, attached screenshot and submitting it. Okay, so when I submit it, it will generate an incident. Okay, it generated an incident. So now, okay, just to tell me, I think why I need to use this create incident form to generate an incident. Why can't I create an incident from here? This is the best first important question. If you can able to answer it, then maybe the catalog deep definition you will be easy to understand. Okay, so we created an incident from a catalog item. Okay, but why we need to create from a catalog item? Why can't I create from here? Don't see me as a administrator. This is the clue. Just think from user perspective. general user, normal user, any user of the custom client company. Can someone able to guess what is the answer? Anyone?
You need to purchase the ITL licenses. Uh, Need to reduce that. We can use catalogs.
Okay. Everyone got this? Anyone got this? Okay, I got it. That is answer. Right, that is right answer. But okay, others. Anyone want to try? What is the difference if I write an incident from here, or I raise an incident from here? Others. Machaitali, do you know that?
Workflow will be different.
There is no workflow here, ma. It is a record
Okay.
producer. Once I created it, directly created a record. There is no,
Okay.
yeah, there is no workflow here. Generating an incident from a catalog item. Okay, this is one way. Generating an incident from the application is the other way. What is the difference? Anyone can tell? Sushma Garu, can you able to try?
If the user is having any issue, they will raise a request from the catalog.
Right. So why can't they come here and then rise?
Accessibility, sir.
They can come here and rise, na?
Accessibility problem is same, sir.
Security problem. Huh? What kind of
Accessibility, sir.
access? Access problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Partially right. So now let's say this is the right answer. Access problem. So what is access problem?
Users will not have the all the roles like creating a ticket on the application directly on the application.
Okay, let's talk about incident application. So the user needs to have which role?
Admin and ITIL role.
ITIL role. Okay, so that is true now. So we came to the end actually. So ITIL role. So in order to access this application, the user needs to have ITIL role. Okay. In order to access this form, we don't need to have any role. It is a standard global form. We can still restrict it, but we can open it for global. Everyone can access it. Okay. So in our companies, ITIL licenses will be also costed. Let's say if I have 20,000 people or 50,000 people or 1 lakh people, they don't give license, ITIL license for all 1 lakh. They will give you, as you brought service now, they will give you maybe for 20,000 people. Okay, 20,000 people will be ITIL users. Okay, remaining all are non-ITIL users. That means they don't be having access to see or use this incident application. Okay, so for them, if anyone have any issue, how they will report it, how they can create an incident? We create a catalog item, and the end result of this catalog item, it's same like a UI policy, UI action. Okay, so this is a type of, one of the type of catalog item. Okay, so it's called record producer. Okay, once you fill it and then submit it, it creates a record on the table. The table we selected is incident table. So whatever you pass there, it takes here. Okay, it takes here and then created an incident. Okay, so this is the one of the deepest definition of catalog item. Okay, why we use catalog items? To make availability of this service to all the users independent of the licenses. Okay, so application modules, they directly attached with roles. That means obviously licenses. Okay, but this one is more general. Anyone can access this form and anyone can create an incident from here. But one main difference is when you are an ITIL user, you can control the application, like you can see more options, you can update, create everything. But here this form will not give you that much of flexibility. It will only give you incident creation, that's it. Okay, ITIL is good, but we can't give ITIL for everyone. Then in that case, how we can give control to them to create a incident, create a problem, create a change, create some other record without by, with bypassing the license catalog item. Okay, this is one important thing, you can keep it in mind. And also catalog items in real time IT environment will be providing more services. Okay, let's say in your company today one resource joined. Okay, you are before the resource join, let's say his joining date is maybe next week, next coming Monday. So the respective lead, what he does is he will create a ticket, says okay, an account creation in AD, a laptop resource allocation, okay, laptop configuration, a mouse, and adding him to domain, an email account, AD account, okay, domain account, everything. So that the tickets will go to the respective teams, they will configure it, and before he comes or after he comes, sometimes some companies, okay, it will take 1 week, he will join and then they will say okay, after 1 week he will get his credentials, laptop and all. During 1 week what they are doing, they are configuring entire setup for you, an account, a laptop, okay, AD account, domain account, email account, all the softwares that you want it. And in order to connect from work from home, maybe a uh, Cisco kind of application, Citrix, sorry, Citrix, not Cisco, Citrix application. Okay, then if Teams application installation, MS Office and everything. Okay, so for that the respective manager will raise a request from here, catalog item request. Then the ticket will go to the respective team, local ST team, local support team. They will configure everything and they will make it ready for this particular employee. Okay, so this is the one important example, maybe you can keep it for what is catalog item. And second example is this one, creating an incident, creating a problem from not application but request form. Okay, so third thing, maybe I want to create a Servicenow group for my activities. Okay, see here, now how to create a group, we need to go here and then create a group, user administration group. But who have the access to this one? Admins and user admins. But I am a general user, I am a ITL user. Will I be having an access to create a group? No. Then what I need to do, I need to come create a open the form. The form is for okay, Servicenow group management. Then just give a request to create. Okay, all these things will be managed in real time using catalog items. Okay, it's a very important topic that everyone use in companies. Also from development side, we develop many catalog items or we either modify many catalog items. So as it is, if it is a support project, your work mainly 30%, 50% of work will be from this way. Okay, so as part of our courses, what we do is, what we learn is, we have three types of catalog items. So catalog items, okay, three types. Initially service catalog, okay, order guide and record producer. Okay, these three types we will be learning, and main thing is, okay, catalog is driven by workflow. Okay, workflow concepts we will be learning. Okay, so maybe 2 days or 3 days or 4 days, okay, time doesn't matter, but this is our next program, and it is such an important. If you can practice daily, do it please every day. If you don't practice, that's also fine. Okay, but keep it in mind that it is very important and your work will completely depend on this one. Okay, ma, any questions? Any questions from anyone till this point?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, ma. So we'll start the catalog item creation freshly from tomorrow. Okay, we'll directly create the catalog items. It is very, very simple. Same like how we developed an application. Okay, here also we'll create everything from scratch. Variables, fields creation. We will create multiple fields. Okay, and we'll build some logic and all. It is very, very interesting, but we'll start from tomorrow. Okay.